hell hustle flurry. Think the dates of the Strath have returned. Another city world with rough weather on the way. Hell hustle flurry. I've seen water up to 560 days for Strath Haven Inn. Serial nature. This just goes to show how wrong this is with our society. Just how wrong. Wow, look at that. I never thought this was Tyson to the days of the Strath Haven Inn. Looks like something was said. Hell hostile fury. I said we should take Sarah Palin and then walk her in a dumpster and ship her off to Australia. So I think that's plain fool testing. Have here wanting press for beer of Australia. Is that pure torture for their people? Why should another corrupt politician their way? I just want to stop those Republicans' reign of terror. Celebrate America. Celebrate that mighty nation. Celebrate America. Sea to sea. Celebrate America. Different points for this great nation. Celebrate America. Land of the free. Celebrate America. Celebrate this mighty nation. Celebrate America. Sea to sea. Celebrate America. Different points for this great nation. Celebrate America. Land of the free. Set tide America. And see it to LA. Set tide America. This is what we say. Celebrate America. Celebrate this mighty nation. Celebrate America. Sea to sea. Celebrate America. Different points for this great nation. Celebrate America. Land of the free. The land of the free. The land of the free. The land of the free. Someone said of the people before you who came before you, America, America, of the people, of the land of the free, of the people who came before you, America, America. And my brothers are all black and white and yellow too, and all of the red, the South said of freedom and peace, South said of freedom and peace, America. And no matter as far as they roam, cause no matter as it's home sweet home, America, America, home sweet home, America.